I'm sorry to say that there are no solutions from my end for chapter 13 as of now. This is for the following reasons. As far as 13.1 is concerned, they've already given you the table structure. You just have to comment about it, like write down things like what the constraints are and so on. There's very little SQL involved. As far as 13.2 is concerned, they've already provided the insert statements. You just have to key them in and observe the output. Again, zero thinking required. As far as the third part is concerned, it's riddled with errors. To give an example, let's look at 13.3, the first question, part 2. Change the name of student Anusha John to Anushka John. Update her age to be 20 as well. If you look at the table structure, I'm looking at, looking at table student here. These are the fields: ID, which is a numeric of 5, primary key; last name, varchar of 30, not null; first name, varchar 30, not null; street, varchar 25; city, varchar 20; state, varchar of 5, default is Del, guess it stands for Delhi; zip, varchar of 9; phone, varchar of 10; class, character of 2, default is FR; DOB, date, faculty ID, numeric of 4, references another table called faculty, the field is ID. So if you've listened closely, there is no age column here, and when I looked at the records, there was no record for Anusha John as well. That is fine. When you don't have a matching name, it's going to be a no op, that is, no records are going to get updated. But when you don't have the age column, things are going to go wrong. There are a lot more errors in the write-up. So please clarify these things with your instructor and feel free to leave a comment so that I can post solutions for this particular chapter. Thank you.